a national park that has first come, first served camping that's free, and they have other camping that has electrical hookups, and it's not incredibly overcrowded. Yeah. I'm West. That's Lucy. And I'm gonna tell you about this park. New River Gorge. An amazing national park full of rock climbing, hiking, rafting, and other adventures. Miles and miles of trail. It is spread out because of the way the river divides the park, and so there are like 5 points of entry, but each of them offers something pretty incredible. The hikes I've been on have been pretty awesome, and I haven't done any climbing or rafting, but the river looks cool, and they have rapids up to class 4 that I've seen on the map. And I wasn't paying a huge amount of attention. They might have some class 5s, but it's a big river. Not only does it have all those things I said, but it also has partially submerged logs. Nothing's better than a partially submerged log. I guess you internet type people like rocks too. There are a lot of rocks. There are gray ones, and brown ones, and black ones, and shades in between those. For you rock people, they've got them here. Just out here trying not to grin like an idiot, but I've never seen so many fireflies. I was pretty astonished when I saw a couple, but check this out. God, I hope you can see them. I can't see them in the camera, but there are hundreds of them. Hundreds. They just light up real briefly, and then they go away, and then they light up real briefly. This is my last day here, but I think I've only taken camp shots at night, so check out camp. In the galling light of day, it's not so bad. Fairly close to other camps, but it doesn't get much better than that. For like national park and a busy campground, I've got more space than I typically do, for sure.